Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right mic and environment. Choose a condenser for crisp highs or a dynamic mic if the room is noisy. Once done, set sample rate to 48 kHz and 24-bit for headroom. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches from the top row, angled about 45 degrees to capture keystroke attack without direct clicks. Use a foam windscreen or soft fabric to tame harsh transients, and make sure phantom power is on only for condensers. Now record controlled takes. You do short passages, alternate typing intensity, and capture multiple distances so you have options. Once recorded, import RAW files into your DAW, apply a low cut at about 80 Hz to remove rumble, then use gentle compression to even levels without squashing attack. Add transient shaping to emphasize click or soften it, depending on taste. Normalize to a target peak, remove breaths or unwanted noises, and export a high-quality master file for listening tests. Finish by exporting both a production WAV and a shareable MP3. WAV at 48 kHz and 24-bit preserves fidelity, while MP3 at 320 kbps keeps size manageable. You should test the result on headphones and speakers to check balance and presence. If the clicks are too harsh, cut a few dB around 3 to 6 kHz, and if too dull, boost presence slightly. If persistent noise remains, apply spectral noise reduction or retake in a quieter room with improved mic placement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.